Alright, I'm gonna make a video here about this emitter rod. This rod pushes the emitters on top of the car wash back and forth so it cleans the top of your car. This bracket is what swings the emitter box with the emitters on it. As you can tell, there's a lot of pressure on that. This thing broke and I welded it up. I don't know if you can see that. That was a long time ago when I first started welding, and I beveled that inside or that outside down a little bit. You see that line? Oh, that's new weld. So that was all it was holding this thing together, and it broke again. And as you can tell, there's a lot of pressure on that thing. So instead of paying 150 bucks for another one of these, I decided to weld another one. Now, here's the one just like that one over there that I welded and fixed. Looks good. It broke right along there. I beveled it on that one side and then grounded it down so that it would fit on there. But it won't hold. So that ain't no good. So this one that did break again, after welding for a while, I double beveled this thing. It's a 1/2 inch stainless steel. Double beveled it, and then put a hot pass, cover pass, and whatever that other pass is, the 3 passes on both sides. Got them in there, and then I did 2 cover pass, more passes on the outside, and another one on the inside, and then 2 more on the outside. And I built it up, and this looks weird because after I did all the welding on this, I took it and I went, just to tie these 2 non-broken pieces in together, I went, woo, instead of going the figure 8 like I've seen done, I just kind of went woo, 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 all the way to tie those in to build it up more. Now I could run another along there to just make it look better and heat it up a little bit. I think I will. But this one, 1/2 inch stainless steel, and you can tell if it bent that rod, broke that 1/2 inch bracket, you got a tremendous force pushing on that. So we're about to see how my structural welding is. I'm going to put this on, and I'm going to let you guys know how it goes. Tack these on with the 180 and stainless steel in there, and then I burned them in with this Invertech B250S. I love this thing, man. I love this welder. Man, this just works so good. I love it. Alright, well, I'm gonna go put this on now. I'll make a video of it working in progress and see what happens.